Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a white Anza with us in the shop. And pretty much it had came in because it was dripping from the bottom of the drip tray, especially, you can see it especially when it was pressurizing to circulating steam. It would just leak a bunch of water constantly and it wouldn't stop. So what we did is we opened up the machine, found that your valve, which holds the steam and everything from coming down here and going throughout the machine, was just old, and here's the original one actually. It was just old and beat. So we replaced it completely and the leaking has stopped. And then we also replaced the pump because of the age of the pump. And we did a tune-up on your whole machine, back flushing, replacing the gasket, cleaning out the group head, and descaling your machine. So now we're going to test all the functions. And so we're going to start with steaming. So I let this stay on for a little bit just so we can have it hot and ready to go. As you can see, working well. Now we're going to turn that off and let this rest of the steam out. Now we're going to do the rest of testing. Alrighty, now we're going to put your portafilter full of test coffee in the machine. We did replace the gasket, so if it feels a little stiff, it's just breaking into the machine. Now we're going to turn it on. And I didn't calibrate the grinder to your machine, so don't worry if it runs too fast or too slow, but it's looking pretty good. Could go a little finer. There's that for you. And then last but not least, the hot water. That's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.